Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about set the print area to print the entire sheet. If your if your workbook has has multiple worksheets and you would like to print and you would like to print a a specific worksheet, you can get Google Sheet to do that. You can get Google Sheet to do that. Step 1. Open your workbook with Google Sheets in a web browser. Open your workbook with Google Sheets in a web browser. Step 2. Choose the worksheet you'd like to print. You would like to print at the bottom of your workbook. At the bottom of your workbook. Step 3. Select file, then print from Google Sheets menu bar. Print from Google Sheets menu bar. Sheets menu bar. Step 4. Choose current sheet. Choose current sheet from the print drop-down menu. From the print drop-down menu, on the right you will see your current worksheets preview. Your current worksheets preview on the left. Step 5. Select next at the top and follow the standard print wizard to print your worksheet. Print wizard to print your worksheet. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.